Did you know that Ramadan emphasizes focusing on values of gratitude and appreciation? Fasting provides an opportunity to reflect on numerous blessings and reminds Muslims of the importance of gratitude, fostering an appreciation for life and relationships. Did you know that Ramadan inspires positive interaction with the environment and the community? Muslims are encouraged to engage in charitable acts and participate in initiatives to improve the environment during this month, highlighting a positive impact on both the surroundings and the community. Did you know that Ramadan promotes family bonding and strengthens strong ties between family members? Shared meals during the iftar contribute to family unity and enhance familial relationships. Did you know that Ramadan encourages achieving a balance between the soul and the body? Fasting contributes to improving both physical fitness and spiritual awareness, enhancing overall health and personal well-being. If you didn't know, let's be ready to understand Ramadan more deeply and maximize the opportunities for self-development and life improvement that this month offers.